Not today, y'all. I look a mess. Not money on the dresser. I hope I can set this up. You think I'll be able to set this up, friend? Friend. Can I set this up? I'm gonna show a try. Okay, I'm gonna just hold it for now. My God, you have got to be kidding me. How can I switch it? Somebody asked me, like, I don't know how many months ago, but I know it was months ago. But somebody asked me to film an updated video of my makeup vanity, and as you can see, I still have it. I did have a picture that I put up there, inspire me or something like that, but I moved that to like the living room or the dining room, and I have like an extra bag over here. An extra bag over here, but I had a different stool, but the wheel on the stool that I did have broke. So I ended up having to throw that away, and I have this little cube now, but it's still seating. Of course, it's super dirty. And I think I had like 4 lights, something like that. I only have 2 now because the other 2 either fell off. They didn't make it. Okay, so this is what I have left. Of course, I need to clean up. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now with y'all. You see how it looks. Now this is after many months of just doing my makeup here, which I really do my makeup here sometimes, and then sometimes in the bathroom, as long as it's free. But I really do my makeup here, and it is super dirty, like super dirty. So what else? And like I said, that picture is gone, but this, I really do use this. So I'm gonna not only clean it up, but I'm gonna update it. And really the only thing that's new is this right here. This little shelf and this Dollar Tree picture thing. That's the only things that are new. So really, I spent $6 on this update because I've been had these little leaves. I want to try to find something to do with these. And then I've been had this little shelf. I don't know if I'm going to use this right now, actually, because it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to find screws that go inside that. So I don't know if I'm going to use this one. Because I want to for the storage, but I don't feel like dealing with that right now. But I'm definitely going to use this because I know this got all the parts that I need already in it because I just bought it. So I'm going to once again update, and I'm going to, I'm going to clean up and update, and then we'll come back at the end.
Actually, the next day because my baby was being ghetto yesterday. So I'm going to do it today. And I was just going to go ahead and do it, but I'm like, oh no, I want them to film. I want to film it so that they can see. So back at it again.
Look at you. You just want to grab the thing. Oh, let me show y'all why it's still whatever. But I went to the Dollar General yesterday since I didn't finish it. And I went and got these 2 little things. This one says, crazy doesn't run in my family. It practically gallops. Really cute. It's got a little scratch on it, but that's okay. It was only $2. And then I got this one. I live in a madhouse.
run by a tiny army that I made, and that was real cute. And this was only $2. And I show. Oh, and then I got this. I really wanted like a plant, but I couldn't find one, so I got this little eucalyptus. Um, what you call it? Wreath, and I'm thinking about just bending it down, bending it down, and putting it inside of a little, or cutting it. I don't know if it's yarn, but and putting it inside of a vase, because I have a vase that I can put this into. That's what I might do with this. So yeah. Um, and then what else? I think that was it. So yeah, I'm filming that. I'm gonna clean this area, and then I'm going to revamp it. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put up that shelf. And it don't matter
All right, y'all. So I just finished. Say I just finished.
Wow.
I just finished. Let me show y'all the end result. You sit over here, okay? You sit right here. Let me put it in the bag. Because all the rest of these brushes is a certain color. All right. So let me show y'all this shit because it's real cute. This is the finished result. I should have closed my door. This is the finished result. Isn't it cute? Like, seriously, it is so cute. I am so satisfied with how everything came out. On this whole entire renovation, update, or what I want to say, I don't know. But I probably spent a total of probably about $10. So let me show you guys. Let me just turn the camera around. All right, so from the bottom, I got a new stool. Well, I've been told y'all that I changed that stool out, but it's the same table. I just cleaned off the table, cleaned my mirror somewhat, updated where what I was keeping on this little shelf right here. Put a little thing right there because I had a whole bunch of holes, but it was still cute right there. All right, I don't know where I left off. My phone, I'm on my phone now because my tablet was full of space. I mean full, so I had to delete some shit off of there. But anyways, this eucalyptus plant, it's just that wreath that I squished up and put it inside of a vase I already had, and you guys saw that I bought that for $2. And of course the shelf was $5. And then these jars, I already had those came from the Dollar Tree a while back. I don't know if they still have them. So yeah, this is the final product, and I freaking love it. Like, it makes me want to sit and do my makeup right now. It is so cute. It is so crisp. It is so clean. I love the update. And yeah, if you guys like this, please hit the like button, share if you want to, and definitely subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next one, peace.